morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a Monday, and this is a really interesting week because I'm on my final 2 days in my current job and I move on to a new job on Wednesday. It's going to be a really busy, admin heavy kind of day. I am working from home this Monday morning, but this evening I'm on call. So today is my on-call day. I finish my 9 to 5, and then from 5 p.m. onwards, I'm on call till 9 a.m. tomorrow. And then tomorrow is my final working day. So it's going to be a really interesting week. I've got a few social plans coming up as well. And I think you guys have seen enough of what my week looks like. So I thought I would add a little bit of twist to it and show you guys what I eat in a week as a working doctor, especially given today is an on-call day. So it's going to be a good mix of regular working week, moving on to your new job, settling down over there. Usually when there's change, that can also have an impact on your lifestyle and your eating habits and things like that. So we're starting on a really healthy note. We are having a protein heavy breakfast. Yogurt has lots of protein in it and lots of berries. There is so much evidence suggesting that berries are amazing food for your brain health. Given I work in old age psychiatry, I work in memory clinics currently. One of the things I always recommend to my patients is incorporating lots of berries, lots of fruits in their diet. Something we talk a lot about is called the MIND diet, which is the Mediterranean diet. I will list all the food items over here. So incorporating fruit into your diet is something that can be done very easily. It is obviously culturally inclusive. Everybody has fruits in their diet. So if you don't, this is your reminder to add in lots of berries. Berries are rich in antioxidants. They're amazing for your brain health. The other thing that I have every single day is matcha. I know that not everybody has the palate for it, but if you can slowly build your palate towards it, starting with something which can be a little bit of fruity and aromatic and ceremonial matcha, definitely try it over there, and you can add a bit of maple syrup and vanilla and all that. The reason I'm trying to talk so much about matcha is because matcha has caffeine in it. It also has something called L-theanine in it, which is shown evidence that it helps with your memory, it helps with your concentration, and it causes slow release of caffeine throughout the day. So you're not going to have that sudden caffeine spike and that sudden caffeine crash. So yeah, that's my bit for this morning. I am going to get cracking with my work, have my breakfast, and I'll see you for lunch. Before we dive into today's vlog, I wanted to share my thoughts on how food can impact our mood and feelings. Food isn't just fuel, it plays a huge role on how we feel emotionally. And speaking of feelings, a huge thank you to today's paid partner, BetterHelp. Have you ever noticed how a warm bowl of soup on a cold day feels like a hug from the inside out, or how a sweet treat can instantly lift your spirits? That's because what we eat directly affects our brain chemistry. For me, food used to be more than just nourishment. It was a way to cope with stress and emotions. When I was feeling down, I turned to my favorite comfort foods for a quick pick-me-up. Food is just one piece of the puzzle. Therapy has been crucial in helping me break the cycle and build a healthier relationship with food. Through BetterHelp, I've learned to enjoy food for what it is, and that's nourishment and pleasure, without letting my emotions take over. Therapy gave me tools to understand my feelings and make better choices. If you've ever struggled with emotional eating or feel like your relationship with food affects your mood, I highly recommend giving therapy a try. BetterHelp has been a game changer for me, and it could be for you too. It's very easy to sign up to BetterHelp. You use my link betterhelp.com/thementalhealthdoc. At the beginning, you answer a few questions to set up your account. Then BetterHelp will match you to a therapist, usually within 48 hours or so. So you can access therapy pretty quickly, really. I like how it's all online, so I can have sessions from the comfort of my own home. You also have the option to change your therapist if you're unhappy with the way things are going, and that's okay. You can tell BetterHelp really cares after their clients, as you don't get charged extra for changing therapist. I will leave the link down below in my description box. It's betterhelp.com/thementalhealthdoc, or you can use the code thementalhealthdoc at sign out to enjoy a special discount on your first month. Now back to the vlog. Oh my god, every single time. So for lunch, I'm having this burrito, which is fully packed with lots and lots of protein in it. And I've also got some orange juice for myself. I am going to continue with my work whilst you watch me have this. Lunch is done. Back to work now. I'll see you tonight for dinner. It's 7:30 p.m. I officially started my on-call at 5 p.m. It's been a bit steadily busy. I've had a few calls and now I'm going to go into A&E to do a mental health assessment. Post 5 p.m. I was really hungry. So I ate these bars while looking through the notes and reading the notes of the patient. My first instinct wasn't to switch on camera when I was receiving calls and all that. So you just have to imagine me having these bars. I did finish one of these. So there is a half remaining, which I'll just have on my way to go into my on-call. One of the good things about doing on-call in the trust that I'm in, although it's my last day tomorrow, is that we get a budget, a food allowance on the days we are on call. So you get £20 allowance every on-call day. You can use it for coffee, you can use it for food, you can use it for whatever you want. Not whatever you want, basically it is food and drinks allowance. I did not order anything today because I wasn't too sure how they're going to refund me the money given tomorrow is my last day. So I've just let it go. Maybe I'll order something later. Technically my on-call ends at 9 a.m. tomorrow. The other good thing about this trust is that every time you commute to A&E, basically if the reg on call gets called in for any kind of assessment and you have to go into the site, then your transportation is also covered. So from home to the hospital, doing the assessment, and then from there coming back home is all covered. I know this is not what the video is about. The video is what I eat in a week. So yeah, here's me eating. These are crunchy bars. They've got raisin, apple, and cinnamon. Got them yesterday during grocery shopping. Okay, off we go to A&E. Going home, I'm so hungry. I've not had my dinner. The last thing I ate was snacks at 5 p.m. Thanks for making me dinner. Yay. It's 11:57. It's literally 12 a.m. I've come back home and this is my dinner. This is probably the most realistic what I eat in a week vlog you guys will see. Dean has made some garlic stir-fried veggie noodles. Veggie? Or is this chicken? Everything that was in the fridge, basically all the veggies, chicken and egg as well, everything in the fridge, kind of noodles. It's not even dinner at this point, it's late dinner. Hopefully the rest of the night. So knock on wood, hopefully the rest of the night stays okay. I went at 8 p.m. and I've returned at 12 a.m. It was quite a long, complex one. The next time I see you guys, hopefully it's in the morning. And I had to come back and switch on the camera to say that I'm ending the night on a sweet note, having this Oreo ice cream. Morning guys, it's actually afternoon at this point. I'm post on call, I'm exhausted, I'm tired. I woke up a little earlier than this and I was still in bed because I just needed a good lie-in because my brain is so tired and so is my body. Now I'm out of bed, I have a little bit admin to do, but before that I need some kind of energy in terms of food. I had a late dinner yesterday, now I need a good pick-me-up. It's gloomy and raining outside. I'm craving for something warm, comfort food, so let's get cracking and make some brunch. I think there's food remaining from yesterday's dinner. I do not have the energy in me to make something fresh. So I'm just going to have yesterday's leftovers, which is noodles, because rainy weather calls for nice noodles. For that, I need some caffeine in me. So let's start there. For lunch, we have leftover noodles from yesterday, which has got lots of veggies, chicken, and glass noodles, and an iced oat matcha. Let's get cracking with the leftover admin and have some lunch. Okay, so today is my last day in my current job. I still have one final clinic letter to do and also a whole bunch of other admin to finish before I wrap everything up and submit everything back. Officially done with my final clinic letter. Off we go to submit everything. People always ask me, how do I feel about moving jobs every 6 months? To be honest, it's a love-hate relationship. Love the fact that you're not stuck in the same job for 6 months, but also hate the fact that if it's an amazing job, you're moving again in 6 months. Just submitted everything. Guys, I've just come back after doing my handover. I submitted everything back at work and I'm a free bird. Got induction and new job tomorrow. We're here for dinner at 𝗏𝗏 having a celebratory drink. Yay! Super excited. A bit nervous about tomorrow. I think it's with any job. When you're moving jobs, you do get a bit nervous, don't you? But I've heard good things about it. I think the bit that I'm nervous about is that I haven't worked in an inpatient ward for the last 4 years now.
It will be exciting nonetheless.
I think it will be. I've heard good things about the consultant and the team. So I think, like I said, anything after this job is going to be a step up. So excited. Morning, guys. I am on my way to work. Today is day 1 in the new job. It's an induction day. I just wanted to wish anyone who's watching this that is a new FY1, FY2, CT1, ST4 coming back from mat leave. Good luck to you guys as well. Good luck to all of us. Hopefully the rotations are everything or more than what we had hoped for. This morning I had oats with lots of fruits and dates in it and a cup of green tea. So I feel pretty full and to take on the day. Going out and go all the way. So it's bad, isn't it?
Like a child.
I've got a guide with me.
Ooh. I mean, I need to stop waving.
Inspire me.
So where are you at?
I'm being a rebel. We've got a consultant here.
Not quite yet. Thank you very much. There's something called grace period. Have you heard? So even if you finish your training.
Morning, guys. I thought I'll do a quick check-in. I am in my online induction. It is going to start in the next couple of minutes. Got my breakfast smoothie. Alrighty, it is almost 1 p.m. We have been given a tiny short break for lunch basically, so let's make some lunch. Got my lunch ready. Bon appetit. This is honestly one of my favorite and the easiest lunch to make. Literally takes 20 minutes and I absolutely loved how protein packed it is. Let's continue with the induction. Got my laptop here. Made shashuka with some toasted sourdough. We are watching the show called The Gentleman. We are on episode 3. It's quite interesting. It's apparently based off the movie The Gentleman. One of the on-calls I did and the liaison nurse told me that pretty interesting. It's actually funny. I was underestimating it with the way the trailer was. I've gotten sucked into it now. It's a Friday morning. Welcome to the last day of what I eat in a week. It's 7:20 a.m. I need to be out of the house by 7:30 a.m. because the site I'm going to is almost an hour and a half away. I need to be there by 9:30, but I'm leaving a little more sooner to be there earlier because I want to pick up something on the way, a proper breakfast. But for now, if I can't, at least I have eaten a banana. It's day 3 of induction today and I've got breakaway training. It's all the way from morning until late afternoon. I've only had a banana. It's 7:30 a.m. right now. I need to fuel myself and prep myself for the rest of the day. So let's go to 𝐤𝐦𝐚𝐢𝐥 to grab some breakfast. For takeaway. Time for breakaway training. Let's go. Done the training now. I am going to make my way to the team base to meet my new team and consultant. Dean has absolutely cooked up a storm as he was working from home. What have you made, Dean?
Baba Ganoush.
I need to show you guys the, what is it called? Masterpiece. Look at this masterpiece. He has made baba ganoush from scratch. Lots of fresh veggies, sauces, and then we are waiting for pita bread to heat up.